Let me be real with you for a second. People decide how much they respect you the moment you start talking. You can look strong, you can dress sharply, you can even feel confident inside. But if your voice sounds weak, that confidence disappears instantly. Now listen closely. I'm going to show you 3 simple secrets. If you apply them exactly the way I explain, you'll be shocked by the power of a voice you always thought it was weak. And at the end of this video, I'll give you a free weekly program so you can get fast, real results. Stay focused, champion. Let's get straight to it. Before we talk about techniques, you need to understand something important. Your voice was never meant to sound thin, rushed, or shaky. But over time, you trained it to sound that way without even realizing it. Think about it. Most men grow up being told to speak quietly, not take up space, not interrupt, not sound too much. And your body adapts. Your breathing gets shallow. Your throat tightens. Your voice moves up, away from power. In a moment, I'll show you how to reverse this. But first, we need to fix the foundation. Secret number 1. Breathing equals power. Right now, take a breath. Did your shoulders rise? If they did, that's the problem. That kind of breathing kills a deep voice. A powerful voice comes from calm breathing. Deep, slow, controlled. Here's the rule. When you breathe in, your belly expands. Not your chest, not your shoulders, your belly. This tells your nervous system one thing: I'm safe, I'm in control. And when your body feels in control, your throat relaxes. That's when your voice naturally drops. This alone already changes how you sound, but we're just getting started. Now, here's where most guys get it wrong. They don't speak from their body, they speak from their throat. Let me show you how to move your voice to where it actually belongs. Secret number 2, chest resonance. Your voice is not meant to live in your throat. It's meant to resonate in your chest. That's where depth comes from. That's where authority comes from. Here's a simple drill. Lower your chin slightly and hum. Just You should feel vibration in your chest, right around your sternum. That vibration is power. Now, slowly lift your head. Keep that same feeling. When you start speaking from there, something changes instantly. Your voice sounds fuller, heavier, more grounded. And the crazy part? It's not fake. That's your real voice. Most men have just never accessed it before. But there's one last thing that can still ruin it. Secret number 3, slowing down. Speed destroys authority. Anxious men speak fast. They rush. They fill the silence. Confident men don't. They slow down. They pause. They let silence work for them. Here's what I want you to do. Whatever your normal speaking speed is, slow it down by 20%. It will feel uncomfortable at first. Good. That means you're breaking the old pattern. When you slow down, your vocal cords relax. Your pitch naturally drops. People actually listen more. Silence is not weakness. Silence is control. Now imagine combining all 3. Deep breathing, chest resonance, slower speech. This isn't about sounding cool. This changes how people respond to you, how you carry yourself, how confident you feel before you even speak. And here's the best part. You don't need years. If you practice this the right way, for just 7 days, you'll hear the difference. And if you keep going for a few weeks, this becomes automatic. You stop thinking about it. It just becomes who you are. That's why I put together a simple weekly program to help you lock this in fast. Day 1, 2 minutes of belly breathing in the morning. 2 minutes of the King's Hum in the shower. Slow your speech by 20% during the day. Day 2, repeat belly breathing plus King's Hum. Before every conversation, take 1 deep belly breath. Day 3, same routine. Focus on feeling chest vibration when you speak. Day 4, same routine. Add short pauses after important sentences. Day 5, same routine. Speak slower and more relaxed in real conversations. Day 6, same routine. Notice how people respond differently to your voice. Day 7, same routine. Record your voice and compare it to day one. Before you go, your voice is just one part of how people perceive you. If you really want to level up your presence, your look matters too. I dropped a no BS video where I break down exactly how to get curly hair naturally. No gimmicks, no fake advice, just what actually works. So if you're serious about upgrading how you sound and how you look, go watch that video next. Smash that like button, subscribe so you don't miss future tips that actually work. Trust me, it changes the game.